This $2 million futuristic bus is actually a high-end mobile showroom. The bus could be described as a modern-day GM Futurliner, serving as a rolling advertisement for the Indian company. Indian company Goldmedal Electricals has introduced a futuristic mobile showroom. The one-off bus looks like a cross between a high-speed train and an aircraft. Its interior resembles a sci-fi movie set, designed to showcase Goldmedal's products. It might come as a surprise, but one of the standout attractions at the 2025 Bharat Mobility Auto Expo in India wasn't a cutting-edge car or a revolutionary electric vehicle. It was a custom-designed bus. Created as a mobile showroom for Goldmedal Electricals, a homegrown Indian company, this unique creation draws inspiration from spacecraft in both its exterior and interior design. The bus was designed by DC2 Mercury, a studio headed by veteran Indian automotive designer Dilip Chhabria, best known for creating India's first supercar, the DC Avanti, as well as numerous bespoke vehicles. The 71-year-old designer brings his decades of expertise to this project. His latest creation could be described as a modern interpretation of the GM Futurliner, a moving billboard for Goldmedal Electricals products. The Goldmedal has an aerodynamic and curvaceous body, with a large glass area at the front and fully covered wheels. Its shape is a cross between a high-speed train and an aircraft, even though the vehicle is based on the chassis of a regular bus, most likely using a carryover powertrain. The exterior boasts a satin matte finish highlighted by vibrant red accents and Goldmedal's branding. The sculpted bodywork was reportedly created from 700 molds using composites from the aviation industry. The LED headlights and taillights are also custom-made, with the latter surrounding a large display. Open the large doors, and you'll find a relatively standard dashboard, likely inherited from the donor bus, keeping things practical at the front. But step further into the cabin, and it's a whole different story. The rear section feels straight out of a sci-fi epic or a futuristic video game. When parked, the vehicle can be transformed thanks to 3 hydraulic expansion sections, 2 on the sides and 1 at the rear, that extend outward, creating additional interior space. Unlike traditional motorhomes, where these sections typically provide more living area, the Goldmedal bus uses them to expand the showroom floor, offering more room to showcase its products. Special compartments along the side walls display the company's high-end products to potential customers, who can also enjoy access to a lounge area and minibar. As with any retail space, the cabin is well lit, featuring over 10,000 LEDs with adjustable brightness. According to its website, Goldmedal Electricals specializes in modular wiring devices, home automation systems, LED lighting, MCBs, distribution boards, wires and cables, doorbells, electrical accessories, and PVC pipes. Given all of the above, it's no surprise that the mobile showroom came with a hefty price tag. Goldmedal Electricals says it invested 180 million Indian rupees, $2 million, into the vehicle's development. The company is banking on recouping this investment through the exposure it generates, starting with its debut at the Bharat Mobility Expo. From there, the bus will hit the road for a nationwide tour, making stops at various events across India to showcase both the brand and its products.